Hello guys! So today we're going to make a blind bag paper squishy. This is how it will look like at the end. So first we're going to do the container. For this, you're going to need paper, scissors, clear duct tape, and some scotch tape. Let's go ahead and get started. First, you're going to take out your piece of paper. Now you're going to get your scissors, and you're going to bend it lightly around that area. Now you're going to cut a shape like this. Now that we're done cutting this shape out, we're going to work on the title. So I'm going to use these markers to write blind bag at the top. Once you're done, you're going to take a flare pen or a thin Sharpie marker, and I just wrote the same words, but just a different style. So I did cursive and I did the same letters. So this is how it should look like in the end. Now I'm going to decorate it with some crayons and just do some dots all around the letters. And we're done. Now you're going to take a plastic sandwich bag, not too big, it should be about the size of mine, and this is how it will look like. So you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut off the seal. Once you're done cutting, you can just throw the seal away because you won't need that. And you're going to cut the plastic bag into 2 pieces. Like so. When you're done, it should look something like this, and you should have 2 pieces. But you're just going to use one, and you can save the other piece for another time. Now you're going to flip your paper over, and you're going to put the piece of the plastic bag on top of the place that you cut. You're going to take your scotch tape and you're going to tape the plastic bag to the paper. And we're done. Now you're going to take another piece of paper and we're going to tape 3 out of 4 sides. So this side, and this side, but you're going to leave the top side untaped. This is how it should look like when you're done. Now we're going to make the actual paper squishy. So for that you're going to need a piece of paper and then some markers to draw your squishy. I'm going to do a popsicle. And this is it when I finish coloring. Now you're going to cut out a piece of paper that's the same size and color it. That's going to be the back side. Once you're done, you're going to line it up and tape half of the popsicle and leave the other half untaped. So it should look like this when you're done. Then you're going to take cotton balls or cotton wool, I'm using cotton balls, and you're going to stuff it in the paper. When you're done stuffing it, you're going to tape all the sides. Now you're done with the squishy. Lastly, we're going to make the container for the paper squishy. Now you're going to take another sandwich bag and cut off the seal. And you're going to put the seal away because you don't need that. Now you're just going to leave it like that, and you're not going to cut sides. So you're going to take a piece of white paper and you're going to cut it the size of the plastic bag. So it should look like this. Then I'm going to take a colored piece of paper. It doesn't have to be colored, it can just be white, but then you're going to cut it the same size as the white paper. It should look like this when you're done. This part is totally optional, but I recommend doing it. So on the colored paper, I'm going to put question marks on it because it's a blind bag. And then you're going to take your white paper, and I'm going to put this on it like I did for my other one. And it's basically just saying you got the jumbo popsicle. Now you're going to take your plastic bag and you're going to put the purple piece of paper in. And then you're going to flip it over and put in the white piece of paper like this. When you're done, it should have a middle part like this, so it's empty in the middle. Now you're going to put your paper squishy in the middle of the two papers and then get some scotch tape and tape it together like this. Now you're done. We're going to put it all together now. So you're going to take your blind bag papers and then you're going to put the little blind bag squishy inside. Now you're done.